Let's be honest, you're tired. You're tired of working 40 hours a week just to watch your entire paycheck vanish into rent, groceries, and bills before you even get to enjoy it. The internet has lied to you. You don't need a $10,000 startup capital, a fancy degree, or 18 hours of daily hustle to break the cycle of poverty. In fact, some of the wealthiest people online started with literally $0. They didn't work harder. They worked lazier. Today, we are breaking down 5 lazy businesses that you can start tonight from your bedroom with $0. And when I say lazy, I don't mean doing nothing. I mean building automated systems that do the heavy lifting for you while you sleep. But a quick warning, business number 4 is so simple, it almost feels like a cheat code. So put your phone on, do not disturb, grab a notepad, and let's get you out of the rat race. Business 1, the Canva template empire. Our first lazy business is selling digital templates. Right now, millions of busy professionals, teachers, and small business owners in the US are searching Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify for templates because they don't have time to design things from scratch. Here is the lazy secret. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You open Canva, search for free customizable templates like minimalist budget planner or real estate Instagram post. Redesign them using your own colors and fonts and package them as a template link. You make it once and you sell it 1,000 times. No inventory, no shipping fees, 100% profit. Once you upload 20 to 30 high-quality templates to Etsy, the platform's search engine drives free organic traffic to your store. You are literally making money while you hang out with your friends. That is the definition of lazy leverage. Business 2, faceless theme pages. Next up, faceless theme pages. If you're shy, don't want to show your face, or hate speaking on camera, this is your gold mine. Thousands of creators are making $5,000 to $10,000 a month on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels without ever revealing their identity. The workflow is entirely automated. You use ChatGPT to write a 30-second motivational or educational script. You drop it into CapCut, use free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay, add some trending aesthetic music, and let an AI voice do the talking. It takes less than 30 minutes to make 3 of these videos. Once your page gets consistent views, you monetize it. You can place affiliate links in your bio, sell your own digital products, or get paid directly through the YouTube Partner Program. It's high leverage, zero cost, and completely faceless. Business 3, newsletter curation. Number 3 is newsletter curation. People in the USA are overwhelmed with information. They don't have time to read 50 different news sites every day. They want someone to filter the noise for them. That is where you come in. You start a free newsletter on a platform like BAHIV or Substack in a high-paying niche, like AI tech, personal finance, or self-improvement. Once a week, you curate the 5 most interesting articles, summarize them in 3 bullet points each, and send it out. You are not writing original articles. You are just organizing what's already out there. Once you reach just 1,000 subscribers, brands in your niche will pay you $50 to $100 per email just to place a small ad at the top of your newsletter. Scale that to 10,000 subscribers, and you have a full-time income working just 2 hours a week. Business 4, digital product flipping, the cheat code. Now, for business number 4, our absolute cheat code. Digital product flipping through master resale rights or private label rights. What if I told you that you don't even have to create the product you're selling? With PLR or MRR, you can legally buy or download completely free digital products, like masterclass ebooks, copywriting guides, or fitness plans. Rebrand them with your own logo in Canva and sell them as your own. You keep 100% of the profits. You put the link in your social media bio, write a few engaging short-form videos explaining how the guide solves a problem, and watch the sales roll in. It is the fastest way to launch an online store without spending a single dime on product development. Business 5, ghostwriting and copywriting with AI. Finally, business number 5, ghostwriting and copywriting. Every business, influencer, and CEO in America needs to post on LinkedIn, X, and Threads to get clients. But they are too busy running their companies to write daily posts. Here is the lazy strategy. You reach out to these creators and offer to write their social media content for them. When they say yes, You feed their old content or industry news into ChatGPT, ask it to write 10 engaging posts in their exact tone of voice, and then polish the output. A single client will easily pay you $1,000 to $20,500 a month just to handle their social media presence. Secure just 3 clients, and you are making a full-time, work-from-home income using free AI tools. Poverty is not a permanent state. It's just a lack of systems. Every single one of these 5 lazy businesses has the potential to replace your 9-to-5, but only if you actually take action and start. If you want a step-by-step roadmap on how to manage the money you're about to make, click on the 90-day financial reset video on your screen right now. I'll see you over there.